G'day legends, Mikey here, Total Scumbag RC. So yeah, we went out to the northern terminus area of the Bibbulmun track, Kalamunda. I'm driving my Bronco and giving my brother a shot with my Wraith. Let's hope he looks after it, nothing breaks, eh? Let's hope.
Fucking full again. You can do it. Looser than it looks. Oh, nice. Fuck. Yeah. Woo.
Oi mate, you need a hand? Oh yeah, buddy, I'm stuck here, give me a push please. Oh yeah, I'm coming, I'm pushing. Oh yeah, I'm good, no, stop, no, I'm gonna push a bit more. And then we're gonna drive off into the sunset together, bro. Oh, sweet! Thanks, mate. Have a good day. Let's go. Whee! That was dangerous. You're not lame, Bronco. Keep doing your thing, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so damaged suspension, easy fix, but strip the nylon idler gear inside the box, so that to be replaced. Also, put metal steering links and arms on it.
Hang on.
Cactus, mate, cactus. Alright, Bronco, the rest of the video is up to you, mate. Do us proud.
Ooh. You want me to get the winch? Good.
Take that, you fucker.
Yes! Oh yeah. Not down here. Well, not the boss of you.
Hi, pretty. Hello. Good dog. Keep flying. Yeah, it seems a bit risky.
Thanks everyone, thanks for watching. So I repaired the Wraith. I had to fix up the suspension that popped off and replaced all the gear internals with metal Vanquish Incision ones. Thanks for helping me out, Frankie. And so yeah, the Wraith will be back in future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.